so much confused today. Why? Today my teacher told me about atomic structure. I don't understand it, so I'm confused.
I saw time machine chair in our school storeroom. All are talking about that. If we go and see, we will go in fast.
But I don't know, is it working or not?
Let's go there. It's E10.
Okay, go. Oh, wow. Wow, what is this? Very wow, very fast.
This one here.
Yes, now we can create doubts about atomic structure. That's my teacher told. Hey, see, there is an Indian scientist named Khanna in 500 BC. He first proposed the atomic structure. We will go and listen what he told.
I am Maharshi Kanat. Matter is divided into padarth. Matter is made up of indivisible particles. These particles cannot be divided into further into smaller particles. These particles are also called Parmanu.
Thank you, sir.
He is Dalton. Now listen what he told in his words.
The matter is made up of tiny particles. Atoms are indivisible. Atoms are given chemical reaction and properties. The atom combined with the form of compounds. They neither be created nor destroyed.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, atom consists tiny particles.
He is Johnson.
No, observe clearly. He is Thomson.
Yes. Now listen what he told in his words.
I am J.J. Thomson. Atom is a tiny particle. It contains subatomic particles. These are positively charged particles and negatively charged particles. Negatively charged particles are called electrons. This model of an atom to be similar to the Christmas pudding. The electrons in a sphere were like currents in a spherical Christmas pudding. Atom consists of the positive charge in a sphere and electrons are embedded in it. A negative charge and positive charge is equal in magnitude. So the atom is whole electrically neutral.
Thank you, sir. Atom consists of subatomic particles. They are positive and negatively charged, like a Christmas pudding. Now we can go Rutherford and listen what he told in his words.
I'm Rutherford. No. Thomson proposed model is not perfect. If positive charge and negative charge combine in an atom, the atom will collapse. Most of the space empty in atom. Mass is its center called nucleus. Radius of the nucleus is 10 to the power of fifth of the radius of the atom. Positive charge is at nucleus, negative charge around the nucleus revolve around the nucleus. This compared with solar system. This is called standard model of atom.
Thank you, sir.
Elevator and Joseph L. promised to lay the foundation of chemical laws of establishing two important laws of chemical combination. Let them ask.
Two laws of chemical combination were established after much experiments by me and my co-scientist Electron.
And Joseph Alfros. First law of chemical combination. Matter neither be created nor destroyed, but it can be changed one form to another. In chemical reactants to total mass, reactant is equal to total mass of product. This is called law of conservation of mass.
In a chemical substance, the elements are always present in definite proportions. This is called law of definite proportions.
Thank you, sir. Rutherford told that electrons are revolving through the nucleus, but rotating electrons lose their energy and fall into nucleus. Then what is the clear structure of an atom? We will go Bohr and listen what he told in his words.
I am Niels Bohr. Atoms are spiral in shape, positively charged at the center, negatively charged electrons revolving the discrete orbit. These orbits are called stationary orbits or shells. They are denoted by K, L, M, N or 1, 2, 3, 4. The orbits are called energy levels. They do not radiate energy. Energy gained or absorbed if an electron jump one shell to another shell.
Thank you, sir. He is Max Planck. Now listen what he told about in his words.
I am Max Planck. Electrons have fixed energy in shells. This energy is equal to h nu, where h is equal to 6.627 into 10 to the power minus 27 joule seconds, and nu is frequency. This gives the information about energy of electrons.
Thank you, sir. He is Chadwick. We will go and listen what he told in his words.
I am Chadwick. There was another particle called neutrons. These neutrons has no charge. It is nearly equal to 1.00078 units. These are in nucleus.
Thank you, sir.
But Bohr explained only single atom. What about another atom?
That's why Sommerfeld introduced the elliptical orbits. We will go and listen.
Hi, I am Sommerfeld. I introduced elliptical orbits instead of circular orbits. If two radii are equal, then orbit is circular. It tells about orbital and shape of the orbital. Orbitals have four types. They are SPDF. K shell has one orbital, that is S. L shell has two orbital, that is P. M shell has three orbital, it is D. N shell has four orbital, that is F. S orbit is in spherical shape. P orbit is in double dumbbell shape.
Thank you, sir.
Then where are electrons in atom?
Come children, I will explain you. Orientation means the rotation of electrons around the nucleus is in particular axis. S orbital has one orientation called S. P orbital has three orientations called Px, Py, Pz. D orbital has five orientations called dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square, dz square. F orbital has seven orientations. These orientations have equal energy. These are called degenerate orbitals. Electrons are in these orbitals.
Thank you, sir. Landé explained orientations of orbits.
The electron's rotation in orbitals.
We will go Uhlenbeck and Gauss-Schmidt. They will explain. Okay.
Hi, I am Uhlenbeck. Electrons are in sublevels. One electron rotates in clockwise and another electrons are in anti-clockwise direction.
I am Gauss-Smith. This is called spin of the electron. The value of the clockwise is plus of and the anti-clockwise is minus of.
You got any conclusion?
Yes, now I understand. Atoms are in spherical shape. Center is called nucleus. The electrons are revolving through the nucleus in orbitals. The arrange of these orbitals is fixed. These orbitals are called SPDF.
Every orbital has subshells. Electrons are in subshells. Every subshell have two subshells. If one is clockwise direction, another one is anti-clockwise direction.
These are structure of an atom.
Now we go to our school.
Okay. Now I understand structure of an atom.